Philip from T.W White Sons here. We've got a beautiful 2015 two-owner 41,000 mile Suzuki Vitara 1.6 SZ5 finished in white. This car does not look like it's done 41,000 miles. It's in absolutely outstanding condition. Condition of the wheels and the bodywork, absolutely wonderful. Really is a very, very nice car, this. One of the best examples I've seen. Boot nice and clean. You've got a rear parcel shelf and a 60/40 split rear seat system. Diamond cut alloys are in exemplary condition. I think this is fitted with an Urban Pack. Gives you these side protection mouldings on the bottom of the door. It protects them. Really nice. That chrome, beautiful car. Let's look inside it, clarify mileage, etc. Yes. Welcome to the home screen. 41,257. Excellent mileage. Beautiful condition car. As you'd expect on one of these, you're getting a top specification. Stereo controls on the steering wheel, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, radar cruise control, automatic lights, and automatic wipers with variable speed on the intermittent. You've obviously got things on the driver's door like your electric power folding door mirrors, electric windows and central locking switches. There's an auto function on the driver's side electric window. Looking here, center screen, this is Suzuki main navigation center, etc. But you've got stuff like DAB radio on this car. Let's program that in when music comes blaring out suddenly. You have obviously it's all touch screen, very simple. Come back to the home screen, just press the home button. Let's see if somebody's put an SD card in. I think they have. Yep, satellite navigation, which you can see the map there. I wonder if it, yeah. Coming over to the home screen again, Bluetooth, you can add a phone, very simple, and you've obviously got smartphone linkage as well. Put it into reverse. Yeah, you got reverse aid camera with markers, 5-speed manual gearbox. You have here automatic climate control, air conditioning, easy, just press automatic. It will direct the air for you and adjust your fan speed according to the internal temperature of the car. You can override that if that's not your bag, just by pressing the mode button. You can see the arrows change here on the display. Demist on your face, feet and face, demisting on your feet. It's very straightforward. You've also got this switch here, which is, I don't know if you can see this changing here on the left hand side. This is taking air from the outside in or recirculating it inside the car. Probably better to have it taking the air from the outside in. Keeps the car mist free. You'd only recirculate it if you're caught in heavy traffic and you don't want any of the fumes coming in. Very simple down here, heated rear window, front demist here, and down beneath all of this there's a USB socket and a 12-volt power socket there. As I said, 5-speed manual. This is the wonderful spec on these because you've got this half leather, half Alcantara suede interior, so you know it's really a top spec vehicle. You have here, which I think it's a marvellous bit of engineering, is this full-length panoramic electric sunroof with electric sun blind. Just show that to you. There's the blind Going back. Beautifully engineered, and here's the sunroof. It's one touch if you want it to be. See? Wonderful spec. When you come shut this, very simple. Brilliant bit of engineering this, because I know it sounds crazy, but this is one of these things with Japanese cars, is their engineering and their level of reliability. So this vehicle's 5 years old, it's done below average mileage, it's one of the first Vitaras, and everything absolutely works. It's been through our workshop, undergone a 101 point used car check. It was last serviced in June 2020. It's got an exemplary service record. The 101 used car check encapsulates everything: tyres, brake pads, all safety related items. Let's have another look around the exterior of the car. You can see the level of condition this car is in. Absolutely outstanding. Really good looking vehicle as well, and such value for money. If you want to find out more about our Suzuki Vitaras, especially this one, top spec, SZ5 with Urban Pack, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhitesons.co.uk, or alternatively contact our Suzuki dealership in Effingham, Surrey. Thanks very much for watching.